Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Piyush Srivastava, Ambassador of India, Kingdom of Bahrain, Chairman Mr. N.K. Ramchandran, Vice Chairman Mr. Suraj Ramchandran, Directors Mr. Himanshu Verma, Mrs. Ritu Verma, Ms. Divya Rajesh Ramchandran, distinguished guests, highly respectable principals, vice principals, coordinators, HODs, and teachers from the Bhavan's Middle East family, most respected parents, all our online viewers, and my dear students. A very good evening and warm welcome to all of you to the annual award ceremony 2021. Let me begin with a quote by Albert Einstein with a slight moderation. Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is incompetent, incapable of doing anything. Dear students, each one of you is a genius. You are born with limitless potentials and you are unconquerable. All of you have different talents and abilities. Some of you are good musicians, some of you are good artists, and some of you are good at dance and sports. Others are good at academics. Few of you are all-rounders. But few of you are yet to discover your talent. And I'm sure the school is playing a vital role in discovering your hidden talents. So bring your potentials out and make others inspire. This evening, we have gathered here on this virtual platform to acknowledge, appreciate, and encourage our young achievers who performed exceptionally well in academics and those who brought laurels to our institution by their outstanding performance and thereby making our school and their parents proud. These awards reflect the diverse and the well-rounded education that is provided at Bhavan's Bahrain Indian School. Nowadays, we hear and we talk a lot about the whole child approach to education, a comprehensive development which ensures that each student is healthy, safe, engaged, supported, and challenged. And this is what we stand for, and this is what we are committed to at BIS. We want all our students to achieve the highest standard of education, not only in academics, but in all co-curricular activities too, thereby making them confident, thoughtful, and lifelong learners. These awards are one of the ways to encourage, motivate, and inculcate competitive spirit among our students. The academic year 2021 has been a very challenging year for us, but at the same time, rewarding too. So much has been done. Those were considered impossible at the beginning of the session. Despite this pandemic, we could provide our students with a vast variety of exciting and challenging opportunities so as to discover their inherent talents and nurture them. We conducted a talent hunt in which many of our students displayed their talents, and the glimpses of the talent hunt will be shown to you shortly. Our Students' Council for the session 2021 was elected, sworn in, and took charge. And they coordinated and organized various events and fundraising activities for the charity purpose while staying at home. Even our Students' Editorial Board worked closely and remotely and brought out the 6th volume of our annual magazine, Bhavanubhav, which His Excellency will be releasing soon. Bhavanodaya, an inter-school competition with various events in which all CBSE schools from the Kingdom of Bahrain took part for a rolling trophy, was yet another initiative taken up by BIS. This year, it was conducted virtually, but will be carried out every year at BIS to mark the Republic Day celebration of India. So I don't want to take much of your time as our head boy and head girl are here to take through the road we traveled during this very special and exceptional academic year. So without taking much of your time, let me take this opportunity to introduce and welcome our Honorable Chief Guest of this evening, His Excellency Piyush Srivastava, Ambassador of India to the Kingdom of Bahrain. I don't think that any students or any residents of Bahrain need any introduction. Sir has been actively involved in various educational initiatives ever since Sir has taken over the charge in July 2020. Prior to this current appointment, Sir has been serving as Joint Secretary and Head of the Northern Division at Ministry of External Affairs, New Delhi. Ambassador Srivastava holds a BTech and an MTech degrees from the prestigious Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Sir joined Indian Foreign Services in 1998 and began his diplomatic career in the Embassy of India, Berlin. Thereafter, served as the second secretary and the first secretary at various embassies and reached up to here. We are really grateful to you, sir, for taking out your busy scheduled time and to be with us to encourage our students. On behalf of the management and all those who are present here, I extend a very warm welcome to you, sir. We are extremely happy to have the presence of the chairman, Mr. N.K. Ramchandran, an inspiring leader and a motivational behind the successful running of this Bhavan's Middle East institution. Around 10 groups of schools are here, sir. I extend a very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for being with us to encourage us. We have amidst us our esteemed members of the Managing Committee, Vice Chairman Mr. Suraj Ramchandran, and Directors Mr. Himanshu Verma, Mrs. Ritu Verma, Mrs. Divya Rajesh Ramchandran, whose meticulous planning and innovative ideas helped us to reach up to here. A very cordial welcome to you, sirs and ma'ams. We are also joined by Mr. Ravi Kumar Jain, Second Secretary and Head of Chancellery, and Ms. Mohini Bhatia, Attaché Commerce and Education from Embassy of India. We appreciate both of you joining us to encourage our students. I'm absolutely delighted to welcome the esteemed principals from Bhavan's Middle East with their team. With great pleasure, let me welcome all our teachers and admin staff, especially our IT team, who have been working days and nights to make this event possible. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our parents who are always with us as pillars of support. This program would not have been possible without you, dear parents. I take this opportunity to thank you and extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the Annual Award Ceremony 2021. Last but not least, I welcome the students who are going to perform, as well as the students who are going to be honored at this award ceremony. Dear students, let me leave you with a famous quote by George W. Bush, the former president of the United States of America. To those of you who receive the honors, awards, and distinction, I say well done. To the other students, I say, you too can be the president. Thank you so much, and over to MCs for the rest of the program.